Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I'm bringing you a couple of names that I'm going to be working on buying over the course of the next 6 to 8 weeks. The timing of it, you want to have this broad outlook of where we're headed and then work on finessing that timing and managing on a daily basis. But I'm beginning here with IWM, and I think that we've got the potential to head up here into 250 given enough time. Now, the more imminent moves are going to be the squeezes and looking for the move up into the old lifetime highs. And really the signal to be focused on here is off of the weekly chart. So I like following for this compression, which you can see in a chart that has largely traded sideways, right, for the most of 2021. But what I try to do is acknowledge the trend that led us here, the consolidation, and then look for resolution of that consolidation in the direction of trend. So if that's what's going to happen here, and those lows at 208 continue to hold, well, then there's some targets for you overhead that I think will be meaningful. Now, inside of that, we've got two other daily charts that I believe are worth considering in the same way, which is to say, they're not going to do it tomorrow, but if you can give these a little bit of time to play out, I like the idea that UNP has gone through a correction very similar to what it's done before, right? This correction down into 218 was very similar to the correction you saw here. Now, this type of metric will be able to be applied in previous, you'll have several swings, of course, right? But I'm trying to use the idea that inside a pattern of higher highs and higher lows, the pullbacks will mimic each other, and then I'm working to use these squeezes for resolution into higher prices. So I think UNP is good for, at a minimum, a push up above 231, and then I'm going to bring Honeywell to you in a similar light. So I know a lot of these products are near, it made its lifetime high back up here at 232 not that long ago. But I think that this is something where your squeezes are eventually going to take you up into extensions of those moves, and I would be tracking them for spots to buy. So I hope that's helpful, gives you a few things to add to your watch list, and we will see you at the next free video.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me